Welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing well. We are almost to the spring and summer months, which means warmer weather is coming. So I figured it'd be great to make a video on how I make my cold brew from home. So here I have with me the Primula Burke cold brew maker. I got it for about $15 on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below. And then I have some cold brew coffee that I picked up from HEB. This is the Veneto Cafe grounds, and it's 100% Colombian coffee, and it's coarsely ground specifically for a cold brew. So I'll be using that today, and it's really simple. All you do is you pull the lid off, and it has a collector for the grounds here. You just put that in the cold brew maker. And then you put your grounds in there, and then you put water over it. So it's very, very simple. Here, I'm just going to open up my cold brew grounds. And I take my tablespoon here, and you're going to fill up the container with 16 tablespoons if you want a full pitcher of cold brew, which I do. So I'm going to fill it up. 9, 10, Okay, those are my grounds, and it's in the container. So next, all I'm gonna do is I take 2 cups of water, which I have water here, and I'm just gonna cover the grounds with the 2 cups of water. Okay, so now that all the grounds are wet, I'm gonna come and take my bottled water here. It's gonna be another 2 cups. And I'm going to pour some more water over the grounds. There, it's almost full. I'm gonna go get one more water bottle for it. So here I have a little bit more water to fill that to the top. And then all you do here is you put the lid back on, tighten it, and then that kind of locks it in. I like to fit it to where the spout's facing to where I can pour it out, but I'll do that when it's ready to pour. And then here, all you do is refrigerate for at least 24 hours. I'll be going out of town soon, so it'll be in the fridge for like 3 days, but it just means that I'll have stronger cold brew when I come back. And then I'll show you all the final product when I get back. So first step is done. Okay, so I'm back 3 days later, and my cold brew has finished steeping. I have my glass here with ice cubes in it, and I'm going to go ahead and pour my cold brew into the glass. You can tell now it's nice and dark. I'm gonna pour it right here. Okay, and then now I'm going to mix my Khalifa Farms. It's the French vanilla almond milk creamer. It's a little bit healthier. It doesn't have, it only has 3 grams of added sugar, so that's why I've been using this one. So first I'm just gonna shake it up. And then pour it here. And then I'm gonna take my milk frother, and I'm going to froth it up. Okay, that looks good. And then the last step is just to take your creamer and to pour it over. That looks really, really good. And then there you have an easy, everyday cold brew recipe with a little bit of almond milk creamer. Thanks for tuning in to another video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram. Cheers and see y'all next time.